If you're a dentist and you want to learn orthodontics, both clear aligners and braces, as well as how to treat patients with TMD, sleep apnea, and myofunctional problems, then you came to the right place, because we have a orthodontic mini residency that's designed just for dentists to learn all those skills and increase your case acceptance for patients who need these services, as well as to double your practice and increase your revenues. So let's go over some of the details. I'm Dr. Nagy. I teach orthodontics to both general dentists and specialists, and I want to introduce you to our orthodontic program. So the first thing you will do is come to our website, which is nagyorthodonticacademy.com, and when you're on a home page, you can click on a mini residency tab right here, or you can click on an icon that says orthodontic mini residency. Either one of those will take you to the same place, where you can read a little bit more about our mini residency. It's a comprehensive program that includes 12 modules, and you can have some information here. There's a frequently asked questions tab too, some testimonials, and there are some courses here that included with the orthodontic mini residency, and all of the modules are included with this program. There are 12 modules in the orthodontic mini residency that starts from NOA 301 and goes all the way until NOA 312. And each modules are built on each other, so you have to take each modules in a sequential order. Now, each of the modules have several quizzes, and so for example, if you go to the first module, which is NOA 301, you can see that each of these courses or modules actually have several courses in them. So here are all the courses and different lessons. So lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, 5, 6, and they all go in order. And if you hit expand, you can see there are several quizzes and exams associated with these lessons, and at the end of the course there's a final exam, as well as oftentimes there is an assignment as well. Now, we get the questions all the time: what scores do I need to get on a lesson, quizzes, as well as the exams? So the quizzes you can pass with the score of 0 to 100. There's no minimum requirement. For the final exams and any of the exams, you need a 80% score to pass the final exam. For the assignments, there are some assignments. Most of the assignments just have a point value, and you just take the assignment and you get a point score for it. Some of the assignments have a minimum scoring that's required, but most of the assignments you can pass with a score of 0 to 100 as well, just like the quizzes. It's really, the quizzes and assignments are designed to help you gauge how you're doing with the program and just how you mastered all the knowledge. And the final exams, in any of the exams, you just need a score of 80% or higher to pass the final exam. Now, you cannot take any of the courses or lessons out of order. You have to take them in sequential order, as well as you have to take the quiz associated with the lesson to proceed to the next lesson. So that's how everything works. It's much like in college. When you take Math 100, you can't just go to Math 106. You have to take Math 101, 102, 103. You get the point. Just like in college, you take the courses in order. Same thing in dental school. You can't just go from D1 to D3 year to third year dental school. You have to get through D1, D2, D3. You have to do it in sequential order. So our program works about very similarly. Each of the courses, each of the lessons, each of the quizzes are built on each other. And here's some information about our program. Now, if you want to see our syllabus of what's included in the program, you can click on that tab that has the program details, and there's a PDF where you can download this PDF and print it, and this includes all the different topics we cover in each of the modules. So each of these modules are different courses that you can see from 301 to 312, and graduation is a live ceremony, and that's the end of the program. Now, we have a live course as well, which is 303L. That's a live course, and that's a team and staff training course where we teach that in Columbus, Ohio, twice a year. Everything is online, so all of the modules are online except the live course, which is 303L, and we have another one which is 309L. Both of those are taught on Fridays and Saturdays, and you can bring your staff members, 2 staff members included at no additional cost. If you'd like to bring more staff members, of course, you're more than welcome to. Just let us know, and we can accommodate that. So that's our flyer, which I recommend that you check out. And again, you can get to the flyer by going to the mini residency tab and scrolling down here, and you go to the bottom here, it says mini residency program syllabus. That's where you can find the flyer, okay? And there is also frequently asked questions. There are different promotions. Sometimes we have different promotions, but you can enroll in a program by paying in full. You can click on this tab, or you can have the subscription-based payment plan. So if you wanna enroll in payment in full, you can save. There's a savings right now associated with that. You save $2,600 if you pay in full, and you're going to have access to all of the courses, and it includes your live courses as well. So this would include everything, all of the courses. Of course, the hand instruments and any instruments and softwares are not included. This is just for the courses. So that's how you would enroll in pay in full. Now, if you choose the subscription-based enrollment, then you can click on Enroll on the subscription tab, and here you're going to have 15 months of payments, and there's a sign-up fee of $1,000 and $840 for the 15-month program. Subscription based, okay? And here are all the details, how you get access to the courses. Basically, you get access to the courses as you pay off the program. So there's some details here that you can check out. Again, you can go to the main mini residency tab, and that's how you can get to these different areas. So everything's in one place. You can get more information here anytime, and all the courses are on this main tab. So whenever you enroll in a program, you're going to come to this main mini residency page, and here you can watch all the courses and proceed and take the quizzes and exams in order. Now, I suggest that you check out our frequently asked questions tab as well. We have a lot of answers there for common questions. Basically, more information about the mini residency. There's also a tab, how do I contact you if you have any questions. Obviously, you can go to the contact page. You can click here, contact us, and what we recommend is fill out a support ticket right here. So you can just click here and click on submit a support ticket. There's also a contact form here where you can contact us very easily. The support ticket is the best way, because then we can answer your questions the quickest possible way. And how do I enroll in a mini residency? Obviously, you go to the mini residency tab. I've just shown you that, and it's very easy to follow. Will I receive my when will I receive my CE certificate? Whenever you complete a course, a CE certificate gets emailed to you. Also, do I need to take all of the mini residency lessons, courses in sequential order? Can I skip a quiz lesson or course and take it in random order? Like I said, you have to take everything in order, because that's how the program is built. All the material is built on each other, so it's very important to master the previous material before you proceed. And the percent of grade needed to pass the quizzes is 0 to 100. Final exams is 80%, and assignments are usually 0 to 100 unless it is designated otherwise. Is the NAGI Orthodontic Academy ADS CERP or AGD PACE providers for CE credits? We are ADS CERP providers. We don't participate with the AGD PACE. And so here's all the different questions that you can have answered. Now, we get a lot of questions on like supplies and softwares and things like that, which you can come to the mini residency tab, and here's a bunch of different information. You can click on student instruments and supplies. Those are all things that you have to purchase separately. That's not included with the program. These are all the recommended supplies that we recommend that you purchase to treat patients for orthodontics. And you will need a typodon for practicing some of our lessons and bracketing and things like that, but all of the supplies that you would need for providing orthodontic treatment for patients is included here, as well as to practice everything. Now, could you take our program without buying much of the supplies? Well, you need a minimum supplies, probably some typodons, some simple brackets, and you can get this for any of the orthodontic suppliers or OrthoArch or really any of the ortho supply companies. For software, we recommend the Dolphin software, but you don't have to buy that. And if you have any questions on that, feel free to contact us. We have we have more information on that. So if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to us, and we're super excited for us to enroll in our program and grow your practice with orthodontics, TMD, and sleep apnea treatment. Have a good rest of the day. Bye.